Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of denied accounts on the application of Pinterest. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then this page you will search about the application of Pinterest. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first app and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Pinterest. Then you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.